Did you know that in the 1700s, the San Pedro River was referred to as the Beaver River? Here, thousands of beavers work to maintain a healthy series of wetlands known as cienagas. Unfortunately, the beavers were extirpated, meaning they were completely removed from the area by the early 1800s. Here in southeastern Arizona and northern Sonora, Mexico, binational partners are working together to monitor the few remaining reintroduced beavers in support of our shared watershed and river. The water in the San Pedro River comes from mountain rain and snowmelt. One important source of water begins here in the Coronado National Memorial at the south end of the Huachuca Mountains. As the rain and snow falls here at the Coronado National Memorial, oak, juniper, and pine woodland forests act as a sponge that absorbs the moisture and slows the movement of water as it journeys to the river, as opposed to drying out quickly on sun-baked surfaces. This retention by the forest helps more water replenish the aquifer to continue on its journey to support flows downstream in the San Pedro River. At first, the water flows south across the international border into Sonora, Mexico, where it joins the San Pedro River. Here, it flows back north across the border into Arizona. In 1999, beavers were reintroduced in Arizona by the Arizona Game and Fish Department in the San Pedro Riparian National Conservation Area. This population grew to approximately 100 beavers. Some of these beavers migrated upriver into Sonora. In Sonora, they found ranchers' reservoirs that held water all year long. These reservoirs, which maintain water during dry years, help maintain a small, stable population in Mexico, and in the future, the beavers can possibly migrate back north, downstream into Arizona during floods. Beavers are a keystone species, meaning they play a crucial role in keeping an ecosystem healthy. They do this by being ecosystem engineers who construct wetlands, slow down runoff, and recharge our groundwater. All these processes benefit plants, animals, and humans. Some cool adaptations that help them be ecosystem engineers are their continuously growing incisor teeth and specialized digestive system that helps them gnaw and extract nutrients from trees. Their webbed feet and flat tails assist them in swimming and navigating underwater to build their lodge homes and dams, which create ponds and a safe environment to protect them from predators. These structures help regulate water flow and improve water quality and boost biodiversity. This is why we are helping them return to the rivers in Arizona. Their benefits to the ecosystem are also why they are a federally protected species in Mexico. Partners on both sides of the U.S.-Mexican border, including the National Park Service's Coronado National Memorial, are collaborating to preserve and protect the San Pedro River, the watershed which supports the river, and the native plants and animals. A binational survey coordinated by Watershed Management Group in partnership with the Nature Conservancy, National Park Service, Bureau of Land Management, Comisión Nacional de Áreas Naturales Protegidas, Profauna, and Naturalia has been occurring every year since 2022. These organizations and their volunteers are monitoring the beaver populations in the San Pedro River in both Mexico and the United States. Data from the annual binational surveys show a declining trend in beaver numbers, with fewer than 40 individuals surveyed along the San Pedro River as of 2024. Given the beaver's vital contributions to our ecosystem, this decline is deeply concerning. As a partner on both sides of the international border, beavers help us collaboratively restore our rivers and surrounding habitat.